morning guys. I just woke up and today I'm actually on vacation. I've taken a day off from work, so I thought I would vlog today. Before I get going, a quick update on my skin. I've been using the AHA toner from Dot & Key. Their liquid exfoliant, I think is the name, the one that comes in a spray. So yeah, I've been using that and I think it's doing a good job. Like I do see like a decrease in my marks and everything. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so that's a good thing. But I do see a new pimple right here, which I mean, this is like a small one, so I'm not really worried. I don't want those like pus filled ones. Those are really horrible. So yeah, skin update. So far so good. So there's a little bit of time in breakfast. Meanwhile, I think I'm going to finish editing my IGTV, no, not IGTV, my Insta video that I was editing yesterday. So I filmed a really pretty, like, I would say everyday, like very basic with like 3 shadow crayons. Such a pretty look. So I was editing it yesterday, but I was just so exhausted. My eyes were just like burning and I was like, no. So I'm gonna try and finish that right now. Also, I haven't worked out in almost good 10 days, so I'm planning on working out today. Let's see how it goes. So in case you guys are wondering which software I use Wondershare Filmora. Anybody who asks me, I'm always very vocal about it. There's nothing really, like, no secret here. Like, it's just like a really awesome software, and I think most of you know, us are using. When I did start off though, I was using Adobe Premiere Pro, which is also awesome, but I feel like this is just easy and quick, you know, like this is very easy and quick. You have everything that you will need, from transitions, from overlays, from any filters if you need, like everything is in here and it's very quick and easy. So I have switched over to this. I'm quickly going to show you what is the look that I'm editing right now. So this is the look, you guys. I don't know if you can see clearly, but it's really just like subtle and fresh and just everyday sort of a look, which I honestly love. So yeah, I'm going to quickly finish editing this now.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, you're the top of my list.
Okay, so it is 11:36 right now and I just got editing. I finished it, I exported it, I have it in my phone. I also just posted a picture, so I guess I will post the video in a while because I don't want to like blast my followers with like content all of a sudden. So that's that. Also, I think now I'm going to plan like a few video ideas. So just now while I was editing, I had used these lipsticks in the video, one of the lipstick, and I was like, wow, like these are so good. I mean, the way they sit on your lips and the way they look on your lip is just so beautiful. And I thought, you know what, I should do a video on 5 lipsticks formulas or something under ₹500, because these are so budget friendly. I definitely want to pick up more shades. I only have 3 shades in these, so maybe you guys can suggest me a few other shades if you guys know of any better shades in this range. So yeah, I am planning that. I of course have to dig around, check everything that I have, which I would actually want to suggest, and so that's something that I have to do. Now I'm feeling really hungry. Like, it's 11:30, of course, so I'm very hungry. I think I'm gonna go have breakfast. I'm gonna check if breakfast is actually ready or not. So let's do that. Okay, breakfast is ready. I'm going to have 2 roti, and this is aloo and gobi ki bhujia and some achar. So I'm just going to have breakfast now. You guys, it's 3 right now. I did not work out. I did not do anything. I started watching Family Man and I just kept watching. It is such a good binge-worthy show. So if you haven't watched it, you definitely should. It's on Amazon Prime. I'm sure like a lot of people have already watched it. I'm actually very late. Really good show. But for now, I'm like stinking. I'm really badly stinking. So I'm gonna go take a shower, do my skincare. I haven't done anything today. So let's do this.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. Haven't missed
So
you,
I'm all fresh and feeling nice. I have to do my skincare now. I have been using the Dot & Key 5% AHA toner almost every day, only during the night time though. Let me show you how this looks like. So I've been using this every single night from like 2-3 days. I just spray it on my palm and then massage it, well, pat it into my skin, because this kind of like spritz everywhere. It's a spray bottle. So that's how it looks like. And I mean, you can still see the marks, but I have seen already like good results so far. So of course I'm not going to make a review just yet. I'm going to use this for quite a bit and then make a review. So that's that. And then I also bought myself their Hydro Peel Glow Potion, 10% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. Now I know you're not supposed to you know, over exfoliate your skin, and considering that I am using this almost from 2 to 3 days regularly, I shouldn't really be using it right now, but I'm just I really want to use this. So this is how it looks like. I love the packaging of it. And now this one has 10% AHA and 2% BHA, as opposed to the ordinary one. I think the ordinary one has 30% AHA if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the case. But I don't mind it, because I mean, I have never really used like that high concentration of any active ingredients. So I think it's not a bad concentration to start with. So I don't think I'm going to apply this all over my skin. I'm just going to apply this on my T-zone, because that's where I have the most texture and that's where I get the most dead skin cells. So you're just supposed to apply it on your skin, leave it on for 10 minutes, not more than that, and then wash it off, and your skin feels like you have just come out of a womb. That's how soft it feels. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am just going to apply it right there. So while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm just going to jot down a few video ideas that I suddenly have in my mind. So first of all, I really want to write down the lipstick video idea that I want to do. And yeah, if you guys are watching this video right now and if you have any video suggestions for me, please leave it in the comment section below, so you know I can plan those videos as well.
I could fly through the wind. Boy, got a top of my leg.
Okay, so I think it has been 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go wash this off. Just wash it off and it feels really good. Very smooth. Like I don't have any texture on my nose or anything, which I mean is my biggest problem. I suffer from texture a lot. Now I'm just going to apply my Riceramide emulsion, and then maybe I'll follow it up with a little bit of moisturizer. Guys, it is 5:20 right now and I just cannot stop watching it. I think I'm in the 7th episode if I'm not wrong. 6th episode. Okay, not bad. I think I'm going to finish this season today. Yeah. क्या बना रही हो गुड्डू? Roll. Wow, what a interesting reply. Roll. इसमें क्या क्या है?
स्वीट कॉर्न, चीज़,
आलू,
आलू, शिमला मिर्च,
प्याज.
नो प्याज,
Wow. Wow. Okay, so I just had a really yummy roll. Now the thing is, I really want to edit the YouTube video right away because you know it's filmed, everything is done. The only thing that I have to work on is editing it right now. But then I'm also doing this course on Coursera, and week 4 for that course is due today. Actually it was due last week, and then I couldn't really finish it last week. I just didn't get the chance to or the time to. So I have no choice. I just have to finish this course this week. Well, not this course, the week, I mean this week of the course today. And my laptop's battery is dying. Oh my god, we have the charger right here. I'm just gonna plug this in. I actually have to buy a tripod if I'm going to vlog more often. But that all depends on how you guys like this vlog. Okay, let's get rolling. Let's finish this course already.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss. There's nothing
Okay, so it is 11:40 and I'm on YouTube. I've been watching James Welch channel, Hiram's channel, everything about skincare a lot. Anyways, so I was supposed to finish the courses. Basically there are like a lot of videos that I have to watch in order to take the assessment, but I swear my attention span is that of a 5-year-old's kid. It's crazy. It's really difficult. I mean, I now understand what people used to tell me. Like when I was in college, people would be like, you know, once you start working, going back and learning something gets a little difficult. I mean, yeah, like so people would say that a lot to me, and I would be like, nah, I'm impressed. I don't believe you. Like, I kind of do. But that also could be because my attention span is just not that great, you know, which has always been the case with me. I can never like study for or like learn something for hours together. I always have to take a break. So that's what is happening right now. So yeah, I watched a few YouTube videos. Now I think I'm again going to get back to learning and stuff. I also, you know, started editing this vlog that you guys are watching right now. So did a few things, not just watched YouTube videos and took a break. I also worked on this. So yeah, that's how I function, you know. That's how I function. Like I have to do certain things in order to not feel so guilty about wasting time. Anyways, also I'm not really hungry because of the roll that I had like a few hours back. So no dinner today. So yeah, I'm gonna go get back, and my camera's battery is also about to die. Anyways, so I think I'm going to end my vlog now here at this point. I think I'm just gonna go ahead, do my skincare, and then get back to the courses. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This was my first attempt at showing a day in my life sort of a thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. Because most of the times you really don't even get to know that I've posted or YouTuber has posted. So yeah, you can do that. You can follow me on Insta if you want to watch, you know, makeup videos in general and other content, of course. And that's about it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.